Okay, for putting the tube set in, you don't want it running. In fact, you could even turn it off if you want. But there's a little safety feature here. If it were running, you have to undo this knob here. And as soon as you start to undo it, it shuts off the motor. It's a safety feature so that you don't pinch your fingers while it's running. But I'm still going to be extra safe. Turn it off. And then fit this thing in here. I had to bring this all the way up. Turn this knob till I get this up high enough for this to go in. And then just push this in there. All the way in like that. And close it back down. It's a knob so that you don't pinch yourself with it. Not instead of a lever. Now I could turn it on, or I can hit prime. It's just paracycled. There we go. Press the prime button here, and it would prime the color. But there's no color in there, so what we'd want to do is we want to turn the container upside down or on its side, and then start priming from here. Now we don't actually have any color in this container because we're in an office, but we would. That's how you would hook it up, and then this goes up into your throat. The other end of this goes up into the throat adapter, and to start running it, just hit the switch up, and it starts running. To reverse it, when it's not running, press the reverse button. It'll suck the color back. Okay?